Good evening, everyone. My name is Enrique Bustamante, and this is my informative speech, and I will talk about the country Nicaragua. First of all, I would like to begin with the location of Nicaragua. The location of Nicaragua is in Central America, and is between Honduras and Costa Rica, and also is between North Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. The capital of Nicaragua is called Managua. Now, talking about the languages of Nicaragua, the language that is most spoken is Spanish, but there's also English spoken in Caribbean Sea and Mosquito in some places in Nicaragua. The religion that Nicaraguans practice is Catholicism. Now, I'm going to talk about the flag. The flag has two colors, blue and white. One blue represents the North Pacific Ocean, the other blue represents the Caribbean Sea, and the color white represents the peace. Now, the interesting thing about the flag is the triangle. Inside the triangle, there's 5 volcanoes joined together, which means that are the 5 Central American countries joined together. Now, the typical flower of Nicaragua, it's a sanguangoche. The sanguangoche color are yellow, white, and pink. Now, the typical bird of Nicaragua is the guardabarranco. The guardabarranco is full of colors. It has every color. Now, I will talk to you about some typical foods about Nicaragua. The first one is nacatamal. Nacatamal, it has a leaf of a banana, and inside the leaf of banana, there's flour, and there is also pork, beef, or it has chicken. Now, the other typical food of Nicaragua is the gallo pinto. The gallo pinto is composed of rice and beans. The beans colors are black or red. Another one is the quesillo. The quesillo is a tortilla of flour, and inside the tortilla it has cheese. The cheese is called quesillo, and it also has a sour cream. Really good. Now, the bosagua. The bosagua is a really prestige part from Nicaragua. It's a beautiful nature in there. But the most important thing about bosagua is that it's in danger of extinction of a lot of animals, such as birds, because there's more than 60,000 species of birds and more than 150,000 species of insects. It also has jaguars, it also has monkeys and other types of animals. The mosquitoes live in there too. Now, in the Caribbean Sea, we have one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, the one called Corn Island. In Corn Island, it's a place for entertainment and tourism. A lot of people from international countries come here. We also have the volcano of Masaya. Volcano Masaya is also really known because you can see how the lava is active. Now we have the Selva Negra. The Selva Negra location is in Matagalpa, and it's about 2 hours from the capital, Managua. And in here, it's really known because of the beautiful nature that it gives us, and it's also a really entertainment place. And there's also a plantation of coffee in there. Now, I'm gonna talk about Granada. Granada, it's a beautiful place from Nicaragua. It's a colonial place, and it's really known because of the type of structures that every building has. And as you also can see in here, we have the islets. The islets were done because of the eruption of the volcano. It made more than 100 islets, and then the islets became a type of entertainment and for people, because rich people, they start making houses and stuff to go in there in vacations, and a lot of international people go there with their boats and see the islets, the beautiful islets. Now I'm also gonna talk about the typical dances of Nicaragua. The first one is the folklore. The folklore is a beautiful woman with a long dress, and she's dancing she's dancing around with beautiful Nicaraguan music. The other one is Lo Viejito. Lo Viejito is one is a woman and the other one is a man, and they can be young or old. but they have to dress as an old man or as an old woman. Now I'm gonna talk to you about the president of Nicaragua. The president's name is Daniel Ortega. He's a really good president. He helps a lot of poor people, and he's making a lot of good projects with international countries to try to make up the better economy of Nicaragua and to increase and to decrease the poor people of Nicaragua. Thank you very much. My name is Enrique Bustamante. I hope you enjoy my speech. Thank you. This is my audience. Here you see, and there you go. Thank you very much.